Okay, so now that you know how your thumbnails should look like, let me show you how you can actually create those thumbnails for absolutely free. So this is if you don't want to use Photoshop or any other photo editing software that is a paid version. So you can use this for absolutely free. They are cloud-based. You don't have to install anything. You don't have to buy any license. It's absolutely free, and I think it will always be free. So there are two softwares that you can use. We talked about them in some of my previous in some of the previous lectures. And first one is called Canva.com, and the second one is called Photopea.com. So Photopea is a little bit more advanced, and it's for those who have some Photoshop skills. If you want to create like professional, high quality thumbnails, that you will be using Photopea. But if you just want to create some simple designs, then you can definitely use Canva.com, and you can just search here like YouTube thumbnail, and you have different templates that you can use, and just change. I will use this one as an example. The Canadian. Okay, this is a paid. I think this is a paid image, so I will just delete that, and I can replace it with either some color, or I can just upload my own background. I have different backgrounds right here, but I can also upload my own background by clicking on this uploads right here, and I can search for example, nature background, and just go to images and just find some that I like. So this one looks pretty amazing. I'll just download that. I will just go back right here, upload an image. I will just upload it, let just load, and you will just drag right here. So it's super simple. It's just drag and drop, and you will create those designs really quickly. Let me just delete this, and you can change the size. You can change, as I said, you can change the size, the font, the colors, everything. You can change everything right here. As you can see, you have different templates for just words, or you can just add a headline and then adjust the title, and then just adjust the color, the font, bold, and all of that stuff. I'll maybe do like this one. This one looks pretty cool. Let me just delete this. Okay. I can just actually change this. For example, top 10 top 10, I don't know, most top 10, I don't know, whatever it is, top 10, and just create those simple. You can just drag and drop. You can change the color, you can change the font. Everything is super simple. You will be you can learn it really quickly, and you need no skills for this. I mean, it's really simple. You can just upload your own images, or you can just use some of these. They're absolutely free. There are some paid versions of those images, but you don't have to buy them. You can just search for them on Google, just download that, upload that, and use it. And you can add your own images. You can add multiple images. You can add multiple words. You can change all of that and just adapt. And for Photopea, I will not show you how to do it because this requires some Photoshop skills, and I guess most of you guys don't have them, but for those who do have them, they will know how to use Photopea. So those of you guys that have some previous Photoshop skills, you will be able to create some nice and professional designs in Photopea like you would in Photoshop.